everyone, this is Inna with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today in episode we are making again recipe with this beautiful mushroom which we found in a forest with children, and it's beautiful. Look at this mushroom. Smells so good, it's delicious, and many things can be made. It's just like chicken. This recipe, it's everyone's favorite. It's a chicken wings, buffalo chicken wings. This is kind of healthy chicken wing, right? Especially if you're vegetarian or even vegan or gluten-free, this recipe for you. Or if you have friends, it's great for entertainment, it's great for appetizer or light lunch with some salad or something. So up to you. And I'll show you how to make in the oven, very easy, quick and fast recipe. First of all, you want to cut in little pieces, kind of to mimic chicken wings. And for the butter, we need to have some kind of binder. And I'm using chickpea flour. And I grind myself here just in a minute, and it was easy. But you can buy chickpea flour everywhere. All we need about half cup, maybe slightly more. Usually to hydrate chickpea flour to substitute egg, I use 1-to-1 ratio with water. But because I want this butter to be more thick, more like paste, I'm using less than that. So probably like 1/4 cup or so. Some salt, great amount, and black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, nutrition yeast, just to give cheesy flavor, about nice 2 tablespoons. And if you like heat, because it's buffalo chicken wings, right? You have to have hot. If you don't like, skip, but add cayenne pepper or red peppercorns, whatever you prefer. And mix. Looks like a paste, and that's exactly what you want. You don't want too runny, and little bit more of olive oil as well, like 1 tablespoon. It gives nice shininess and everything stick better too. And this is optional, smoked paprika, like 1/4 teaspoon. They all coated evenly. You won't coat them. Each piece should have paste, this paste. And try to do in one layer, so each piece separate. For 15 minutes. And for the buffalo sauce, all we need, hot sauce of your choice, and I'm choosing this one, Louisiana. You can use any sauce of your favorite. This is my favorite. We need half cup, and we need half cup of melted butter. If you want, keep on the vegan side. If you don't want vegetarian, if you really want keep vegan and gluten-free, I recommend to substitute with olive oil or avocado oil. Even coconut oil will do, whatever you prefer. Baby loves butter. You like butter? Yes. And for this simple sauce, we need butter. Real butter, or if you're vegetarian, vegan, I mean, substitute with your favorite fat, whatever oil you prefer. And of course, buffalo sauce. They are dry, and that's exactly what you want, so it can absorb more sauce. If you don't like spicy, use less hot sauce and more butter, but I like spicy food. And now it's go back to the oven 400 degrees for about 20-25 minutes. And here you go, vegan buffalo chicken wings. And you can make vegetarian or vegan, up to you. A little spicy. If you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye, see you next time.